welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about this. Right here. So this right here is my vanity. I am going to be going through my vanity and decluttering some of the makeup that I do not use anymore, and I will be passing it along to somebody else that would get a much better use out of it. I am just going to start organizing and decluttering this mess. It's literally everywhere. This is the way I had it set up once upon a time when it was nice and organized. So right in here, you guys can see it has a tray, and I have my palettes in there, so they were nice, neatly organized once upon a time. Down here in the middle, this is a tray, and this is where I would have like all my foundations like really nice and organized as well. The only thing that I still do keep somewhat organized is this right here, and these trays right here. They have the little trays, so I individually put my stuff in there, where I just have liquid lipsticks, my dip brows, my primer, my eyelash, freaking tweezer things, random stuff that I need to get to, mascaras. Oh my god, that thing's like getting jammed up. I can't even close it. So there's more down here that I need to get to, but I just can't open it because of all this cochinero I have right here. So guys, yeah, so this is where I'm at. That's that part. That's the middle part. Down here, this is another tray, and right here have a Morphe sponge that I want to get to and do a video on. I have a Clarisonic face brush that I want to get to as well. I just haven't had time. So right here, I would have like my little compacts, nice and neat. Everything is like kind of falling apart everywhere. My brushes need to be washed. My vanity is super filthy. It's full of like eyelash glue, adhesive, makeup. Oops, I'm dropping that. It also does have a drawer in here where I just keep like random stuff. Do you guys remember this one? This one was the broken Sunday Riley thing that they sent me from Allure, and I finally got my box, so they sent out a new one. So this is the new one. So I just need to throw that out. Just random stuff. I have Tarte concealers that are backups. Yeah, you guys. So this is my vanity. This is my cochinero. This is how I do it. And for those of you guys that are curious of how I do it with my YouTube setting, this is what I look at, you guys. So I sit in front of my window like that. My vanity is sitting in front of me like this. I record from my phone. So I place my phone on here. Whoops, let me move this nail clipper. I place my phone on here, guys, and I just face it forward looking at me, and then I just record. So that's how I record myself. I'll do another video on that, of how my YouTube setup is. I get natural lighting. I don't have a pretty view. This is the side of the backyard. But yeah, guys, so yeah, this video is going to be a declutter of my whole makeup collection. And, you know, once I'm done decluttering and cleaning this cochinero up, I'll go over my whole makeup stash with you guys, my whole makeup collection. Hopefully everything will be in place. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and we'll go ahead and move on to the next. The makeup organization part of it. So I took everything out of the vanity, so I am about to scrub it. It is so filthy, nasty. I need to get a vacuum, get all that gunky stuff out. So back to this. So I kind of organized everything as to like my pigments, my brushes, my little mixing things where I mix my foundations, my palettes, my sponges, my lipsticks, my foundations, my eyelashes, my concealers. Just everything kind of separated by, I would say, department. Setting sprays, hair stuff, palettes, eyelashes, and so on. So this is what it is looking like. I am going to start off by scrubbing that nasty vanity. And these are the little acrylics that I use. These are them. I am going to wash them. They are super filthy, nasty, dusty. And we'll move on to the next part. I am going to use to scrub this nasty vanity. This is a Hacks or Ajax, however you want to call it. I am going to be using that, a little scrubby, my soapy water, and we are just going to start scrubbing. Like, I see the difference already. Do you guys see a little white spot? Yeah, that's what we're going to do, and we are going to scrub until all this nasty gunkness comes off. Okay guys, so here is my before and my after of my full vanity. This is what it is looking like. Ta-da! It's super pretty now. Nice and gorgeous and clean and organized. I'm so happy that I finally got to do this. Okay, so I am going to start off like this countertop. It's super clean now. There's no crusty makeup on there sitting anymore. So I'm going to start off right over here. So right over here we have my powder. So my foundation powders. I have more MAC setting powders, more setting powders, blushes, and so on. So the powders, compacts live there. Right over here, I have my mirror. And then right here, I have my little Too Faced agenda. It's so super cute. I've really been using this. So yeah, I have a lot of doctor's appointments that are coming up. So I've been really using that agenda, putting it to use. Right over here, I have my setting sprays. So this is what we are looking at right here. And this is a 3-tier organizer. So they are stackable and you could individually buy them. So these are the large ones. I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond. I had ordered them online because they did not have them in store. But yeah, they're very practical. They're really good. They're convenient. They're easy to wash, everything. So this is what I have here. I have 2 little palettes right here. On the top right here, Anastasia Dip Brow, and then just utensils that I use to stick on my eyelashes, eyelash adhesive, an eraser, tweezers. Yeah, that's what lives there. Right in here, I have mascaras. Yeah, a lot of little mascaras. Right here, more mascaras, more eye stuff. Right down here, I have eyeliners. I have like pops of color. And underneath here, I have pigments. That's what's living in there, little pigments. Right in here, I have Super Shock Color Pop shadows. And right here, I have like the eyeshadow bases, glitter glue. So yeah, so a lot of the eye stuff lives on that top portion. Right in here, we have lipsticks, chubbies, lip liners. Moving on to the lips. Right here we have some matte liquid lipsticks. And then down here at the bottom I just have concealers. So yeah, different kinds of concealers that I use. So that is what is all in here. And then on top we have the setting sprays. Okay, so that's that side of the vanity that we already went through. Okay, moving on to this side. So right in here I do have my palettes. So I have the Jaclyn Hill Becca Champagne Pop that they did, that collaboration. The Nicole Guerriero Anastasia Beverly Hills. In front, I have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette, which I really love it so much. And then the newbie is this one right here, the Sleek Palette, which is a highlighting palette. Super cute. Then we're moving on to the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then right back here, it's the Too Faced Best Year Ever palette that came in here with this agenda. So those two came in together. And then right behind it, it's going to be 2 of my Morphe palettes. So yeah, those are like my go-tos that I would use on a regular basis. So I need them handy. They need to be really close to me. Okay, moving on to my foundation stash. So these are the foundations that I currently have. They are the Estee Lauder, the Laura Mercier, the Fenty Beauty. These 2 Tarte ones that I ordered, but I am waiting for a box to return those because those were no good. So those are going to be going back. And I will be investing my money on another foundation. And of course, I'll do a review. These are, of course, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealers. These have to be in the front because these are a day-to-day use that I use daily. But those are not the ones that I'm going to be returning. It's just these 2 foundations. But I just thought I'd put it all together because they all look really pretty. Like the packaging is kind of cute, but I mean, it's not very practical. Okay, anyhow, so this is what we have here with the foundations. I have 3 Urban Decay all-nighter foundations. I have the L'Oreal Paris foundation, the infallible one. what is it, the Maybelline ones. I mean, yeah, so that is the stash for the foundations right up in there. And moving along, these are the brushes that I currently have. All of these brushes are pretty much from Morphe, maybe just one, which is this little white one. I believe this is the only one that is not from Morphe, but other than that, like, my shit is all Morphe because they're so good. They really work really well, and they're very affordable and durable. So yeah, I have love for Morphe with their brushes. Okay, so that is pretty much it, and I am gonna change it over to where my dresser is at. So I didn't want to continue setting this stuff over here on my vanity because I don't want to get it to get cluttered. So I am putting the rest of my stuff right over here. So right here I have my liquid lipsticks. Right here I have some of the little palettes that we get from BoxyCharm because I still do use those. I love them. Right in here I have this NYX Boss Lady mirror that my assistant manager got for me. She customized it and it says Boss Lady. It has my name, Faviola, and a little lipstick, eyelashes, a kissy. So super cute. So me and her went to the NYX grand opening and she got that for me, so she was really sweet. This is just like a little speaker from Pink, a little rubber one. And this right here, this is like a little NYX caboodle that I got. I think if you purchase like 70 or more, you get like the free caboodle, and they personalized it. So it has my name on here, so it says @TwinkieB. This is my Instagram name, you guys. Go follow me there. That's what the front of it looks like. This is the top part of it. It says @TwinkieB, NYX, eyelashes, a lipstick, purple kisses. Flipping it over to the side, it says Faviola SERRANO. On the back, it has the 3 lipsticks. Really, really cute. And then on the other side, it says Kiss Me. So it's so super cute. Super cute and girly. Yeah, lots of fun memories. That was a really fun day. We were like ditching work, in and out of work, going to the freaking event and meeting YouTubers. So yeah, that was a really good memory. And then this one was just like a little goodie where you could just store your brushes. This right over here, I have all my little mini lipsticks and my MAC lipsticks right on the back. That's where they live at. And then on top, I have my Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses, a little mug that I got for Christmas, which is so super cute. I didn't want to use it because it's so cute. This little pink thing again. That's just where I could just put my jewelry. Right over here, I have the rest of my brushes and dirty sponges that I still need to get to and wash. So yeah, guys, this is the rest. Oh, the rest is my closet, which is dirty. But yeah, that's the rest of the vanity part of it. I hope that you guys like this video. If so, make sure to give me some thumbs up, like, subscribe, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, I hope this really motivates you guys to clean out your vanity. This is the aftermath. This is what I decluttered. This will all be going to my little cousin, Yulitza. This is coming for you, girl. You will put this to much better use than I will. And then these were like the acrylics that I didn't even have to use because I decluttered that much. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys liked this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.